And I'm going to add little scales, and it's really easy. We're just going to use red and blue, a little bit of water to thin that out. And all you want to do is just add little loops like this, just like you're adding shingles to the roof, little scallops. And then just build on from them. But you don't want to have them too dark. So that's why I suggest just watering down the paint. And it tends to look better if you do, let's see, a row here, and then you off center the next one. So we're going to add one where we have it go in, we're going to come out, okay? Kind of like how bricks are. If you want to turn your canvas to make it a little easier, go ahead and do that. Take it out, turn it around. We're going to have a lot of light in here, so I'm not too worried about how this is looking, where these scales are lining up. Okay, I'm gonna go over to my flat brush and we're gonna mix up some pink and some yellow. Beautiful color. And we're gonna start adding that on the right side of the mouth and the nose and the eye. And then we're gonna bring that through this side here. And partially over our fin. This is where it gets really exciting for me. I love seeing the depth start to really take shape. I'm gonna add some more of the pink right in here. And we're gonna have a little bit of those colors coming out on the tail and this fin here. Add a little bit more yellow. Right along this side here. Take a little bit more of the pink. And then just get the outer edges here. A little bit more yellow. A little bit more pink there. Still the color, the dark on this side here. A bit more of the pink. And the top right there. And then it gets light again in here and just dark right there. And then light again here. But then just dark outline. Lots of light and dark areas. And it makes it really fun because you create like this glowing shimmery effect with a lot of light and dark on the fish. A little bit yellow in there too, actually. That'll give us a nice darker shade of red. And we're going to add this in the darkest spots. So remember where we added the blue and red? Just using the corner of my brush to get in those smaller areas. So anywhere that we have those shadows, the darkest lines, is where you know to add the red. And I'm going to come in with some yellow now. And layer over a little bit where the light areas transition into the dark. We're going to have another fin that comes out there. I'm going to add a little bit of water to my brush. And then another one that comes out here. Thinner than the other ones. Liner rigger brush, and I'm going to take that white, yellow and peach, any light color, any one of these light colors here, and I'm just going to add those little I don't even know what they are. Fish antenna. Add a little bit more white to these ones here. And the blue and the red makes such a nice shadow for the contrast. So I'm just getting in these dark areas again, going over them. For different things other than like the obvious brushes that you would go to, I let you know that you can use a flat brush or a filbert brush in different ways, so you don't have to, if you're on a budget, you don't have to buy every single brush that there is. Okay, and I'm gonna come right along this side here on either side of this top fin to make it stand out more, and then add a few little outlines and little lines in there. A little bit more white in here. I'm going to build up a little bit thicker. And I just want to pull out a few little thinner lines like that. Just extending this little fin out until it disappears. Like I promised, take it out of my easel and turn it vertically. Okay, so I'm gonna take it out. You can turn it this way. I like that. And this way. That's quite nice too. Or this way, how we painted it. Which way is your favorite? I'm not sure which one is mine. I want to thank you guys so much for joining me for this condensed version of A Couple of Koi Fish. You can enjoy the full-length tutorial plus many more over on Patreon right now, and they're all commercial free. I've got well over 1,200 exclusive tutorials to choose from, and I'll have a link below where you can check that out and join today. Thanks so much for all of your support. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll see you very soon in another video. Take care, everyone. Bye.